So I'm opening my box and I see that there's another box inside. So I stopped because I thought maybe it's like those dolls. You pull one out and you just keep going and it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So I thought this might be fun. So here's one box. Or maybe it's going to be disappointing and this is the only other box. Maybe if I'd actually follow the pull here tab, I'd be more successful. Okay. And then inside is a bag. So a box, and a box, and a bag. Oh no, that's sticky. What am I supposed to do? Rip it? I don't understand. Oh. Okay. And then inside of the bag is this tiny little box, which should be a ring that looks just like my engagement ring that I lost. I'm about to find out. It is. It looks just like it. I'm so excited. It's basically identical. It's probably too small. It fits. You have no idea how excited I am right now.